Here we are in my November 2021 business income for my business with Kelly Ann Smith and Freedom in a Budget with my main YouTube channel. I will have that link down below as well as a full blog post on this, and let's jump right in. Affiliate marketing, I made $1,297.23. Etsy, $155.54. Freedom in a Budget shop, $91.72. These two items are the same. So Etsy and Freedom in a Budget shop is the same exact products. I just had them listed on both platforms, and I get some SEO traffic from Etsy, so I leave it there. But there are more fees on Etsy, but obviously you can see I'm making more money on Etsy. So that's the story of Etsy in my shop. That's where I have my printables, my spreadsheets, templates, all of that. YouTube blog, this is the ads that run on my YouTube channel and on my blog, and that is $885.14. This is one of the lowest months that I've had, so that really sucks, but it is what it is, and so I'm building it back up. Ad rates are coming back up because of the holidays, so that is good. Courses, I have 2 courses. I have Dreamer to Profitable, which is an entrepreneur course, which will be linked down below if you want to get that. If you use code YouTube, you get $15 off. And then I also have a course on how to save money on groceries. So the 2 courses brought in $243.61. Next is Patreon. This is where I have my personal budget report cards. I also have all of my products for my patrons available as well. It is a monthly membership that brought in $27.23. Coaching, no coaching clients this month. Sponsorships, I had 2 sponsorships, and that was $400 for a total of $3,100.47. And like I said, we will have a full blog post going into more detail of all of my revenue streams. And I am very transparent about what I spend in my business as well as what I make, because I think it's important to see both sides of it. And you see people that make $10,000 on their business, but then they're spending $9,000 on ads. So I think it's important to see both sides of what the expenses are as well. Okay, jumping right into expenses. First one is education development. I bought a book called Just Start, which is about being a virtual assistant, and that was $12.99. Then I have a monthly membership for coaching. That is $97 for a total of $109. Expenses and labor, $0 this month. Supplies, $0. Travel, $0. And advertising and marketing, $0. But dues and expenses are a different story. Total for dues and expenses was $678.09. And that ranges from G Suite to Comcast to MailChimp to Apple, YouTube Premium, Adobe, all of the different things. You can see all of them broken down right there. And these are just expenses that I use to run my business on the back end. So what I use to run my website and my email subscription and storage and all sorts of different things is all run right here. I will say too, I do have this spreadsheet available for free for you guys if you do want this spreadsheet template. I love this template, and I've changed it over time, and so I've tweaked it, and I love it. It has all the formulas pre-populated. So I'll have it linked for you down below in the description if you do want to get this free template. Completely free. All right, next is expenses food, $0. All right, so this is where the profit first aspect comes in. So total of all of my expenses was $788.08. My total revenue was $3,100.47. Taking 5% profit to put into a profit savings account that I get paid quarterly is $155.02. Owner's pay, 65%, is $2,015.31. This is what gets transferred to my personal bank account that I get paid personally, and that goes to my personal budget with my husband, myself, and my future baby that I'm carrying right now. So $2,015.31. Operating expenses, 30% of what operating expenses would be is $930. So if I do my full budget of operating expenses, that'd be $900. But obviously I didn't do my full budget because I only spent $788. So I have remaining from the 30%. 30% is my goal, is $142 remaining. So we're going to skip this little box right here. I'm going to go down to this section. So profit this month was $155.02. And for total in that category right now, I have $1,299.98. Operating expenses minus 30% this month was $142.06. Total for to date is $1,530. Total is $2,830.25. Okay, so for this here, now total hours worked was 41.25. I use Toggl. Let me actually pull that up to show you what it looks like behind the scenes and what I spent my time on in November. Okay, so here's my Toggl time. So you can see I spent 41 hours and 16 minutes. So I just rounded to 41.25. And you can see here, so admin, it's 9.9%. Blog is 4.05%. Coaching, Dream to Profitable Community, editing, education, emails, filming, Instagram, interviews, newsletter, products, research and scripting, thumbnails, tutorial channel, all of that. You can see the breakdown and how much time I spent on each one. So my biggest time suck this month was editing. I spent pretty much 11 hours editing. Then next was tutorial channel, working on this channel for you guys, was 5 hours. Thumbnails and uploading was 4 hours, 10%. So you can see a track there, and you can see how much time in the days that I took off and the days that I've worked. You can see all right there. So I love Toggl. I love how it tracks all of my time for me, and it is amazing. Love, love, love this free website. Okay, so 41.25. So dividing the 3,100 right here by 41.25, that gives me an hourly rate of $75.16. So for every hour I worked my business, I made an hourly rate of $75.16. So that is my income report for November. Like I said, I have a blog post down below, and I have a free template for you here, and tons of other YouTube videos for you to grow your own online business, where I love to help.